Okay, so today I thought I'd make a video on how to make the cool chick using the extruder disc. There are 5 discs, so these are the pieces that fit the 23mm extruder, or you can, I do make 24mm size, which will fit the adapter piece with the make-in. So we have the sunglasses, which will be black. This is the top of the chick's head, which is going to be yellow. This is that little nose infill piece, which is also yellow. And then this piece has the feet and the nose on it, which are going to be orange. Then the large piece, this is the 57mm disc, has the chick body in it. And this is all set up and ready to go. I've conditioned yellow soap dough. It's in there. We're going to extrude it. I also have my orange prepped and my black. So I have everything I need to extrude the pieces, and then we can put them together. So just kind of go slowly, and you can straighten this out as it goes. Once you get it straightened, it should come out. I'm doing this upside down so you can see. It's a little bit hard. So now that that's done, I'm going to extrude the small pieces with my 23mm disc. I'm not going to show you this on camera because I can't actually get it on camera very well, but I will come back with all the pieces extruded, and then we will go over putting them all together, and I will give you some tips and tricks that I have figured out to help make it a little bit easier. Okay, all the pieces are extruded. So we have the body and the head. This is that little infill piece that will go in between the glasses. Then we have our nose and our feet. So putting this together, I have found that there's definitely an order that works best. So first thing I'm going to do is put the infill piece in between the glasses. So you want to make sure that you have this the right way, which you can't see on here. Let's do this. So here's a finished soap. So you can see the arched part is going to go into the glasses, and the flat part will be where the nose is going to go on. So I'm going to take some distilled water, just paint that down, and then just gently put that infill piece in. Trim off the excess. Now I'm going to attach the nose. So again, you're just going to take the flat piece and lay it on top of the infill piece. So I'm taking some distilled water and just going to gently place that. You don't want to push too hard because you don't want to misshapen your triangle. Once we get that on, so that's what we have. So we have this part ready. Now we're going to attach it to the body. I cut this up into a small piece to work with it, just so you can see. Generally, I find it's easier to work with a length no longer than 8 to 10 inches, because then it starts to get harder to manage all the parts without them falling off. So again, just taking some distilled water, and now I'm going to place the nose into the groove and then gently work it in place. Again, don't squeeze too hard and misshapen. But you definitely want to make sure that you're still pushing down and making sure everything, all the little spots are getting infilled. Okay. So there we have our chick. Next, I'm going to apply the feet, and last I will apply the head. That way I can lay this down flat on my surface and work on your feet. These feet can definitely be tricky to attach. You can use water and just kind of put them on. The other thing you can do, I tried doing this with the disc and it didn't work well, but I kind of create just a little groove. Just cut out a little bit, so if you can't get the feet to stay, you can kind of, like I said, just create a groove in the bottom of the soap that you can stick the feet in. It's not my neatest job ever, but that's okay. You won't know once the feet are on. Okay. Again, that groove I should have put over more. Oh well. Just gonna take water, paint it on, take my foot, make sure we have it the right way. The thicker part is the base. So I'm going to gently apply this. This is one that will misshape very easily. And I just, my squished part of the foot, but that's okay. This one part. Okay. Gotta find, there's the top. Okay, 2 feet, and I have this foot on wrong, and I really don't want to take it off. I don't think anyone will notice, except I notice. It's coming off. Maybe. No, maybe not. Okay, it's just gonna stay that way. No one will know. I know, but no one else will know. Alright, so now I have the feet on. The last part, make sure you don't lay this flat. You don't want to squish your feet, but I just kind of hold it like this. Paint some water on top of the glasses, and then you're going to gently apply your head. Push down around the sides, do not push on the top, because otherwise you will ruin his little fluff of hair. So just want to gently push it all down so the sides get down without hitting the feet and knocking them off. Some water dripped over. Okay. So now I have a cool chick. I also wanted to try something else. I made a bow. I think the bow might be too big, but I'm gonna see if I can put it on anyways and if it works. Might not, but I have fun experimenting. Let's see. It's a tad big, but that's okay. Definitely a little too big. It's still cute. Look, we have a girl cool chick. And there you have it. So that's how you put together the pieces, or that's how I put together the pieces that I find are the easiest way, and it gets everything together in one nice piece. Again, just be careful, the feet will shift, so I always just lay it on its side, and then you can put it in your batch once it's ready to go. But yeah, it's definitely going to be easier to work in smaller sections as opposed to really long ones. So it wouldn't work any bigger than this length. Longer than that, and it might get a little frustrating for you. So there you have it. If you have any questions, let me know. But otherwise, have fun making the cool chick.